Boom! At the open, all-time high for the S&P 500.
It's your boy Jimmy. Jimmy.
Now what's worth doing is worth doing for money.
Straight from y'all street to Wall Street.
Anybody tells you money's the root of all evil, doesn't make up.
Dudes wake up, hope their girl turned on so they can get a little bit. Only woman in the morning I wanna turn on this. Becky quick. While the average man looking at it's sad like she fine as it. I'm over here looking at tails and whips like 5-6. I left the mayhem for the market. Now I don't want a dope spot, I want a stock pick. I know that booty got dropped, triggered my stop losses, but I ain't got time for your wop. My V-wops crossing. Rich with hot V's and pushing hot strategy and plans to make grand. Still in my wife beater, Batman pajamas, house slides, and about 5 hot picks for the day. Cause I like the way the Dow bounces. 4 hot dips on call, so I got options. 2 with a lot of volume, 1 with a double bottle. Now I know dumb money don't understand. Am I talking about my trade or just thinking with my MACD? You see, we different in the way we move. You move with kittens and your dog, I move with bears and bulls. I got a green thumb, roll with the marijuana. Waking up with the futures, some commas. Jump out of bed, big profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, big profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. They used to watch me move them packs and die. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Profits. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETL, make profits. I jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles, profits. While I'm still in my sand, making profits. Yeah. See, me and Jim Cramer been talking mad money. Said today I'm taking a risk. They got the feds coming, but I got support here with me. I call a short squeeze. You get the drop, pull the trigger, and abort these. If she stay on my watch list, I might have to wife her. But I know better. I'm a true trading group lifer. Call up the Wolf of Weed Street. It's time to flip some profits. Go ahead, be hawking. Get your spot here. I'll double top that in the head and shoulders. Hit him up with this resistance. Watch him roll over. Cause I see John Wicks in contract. If I say I make $1 million a day, well, that's a large cap. You moving average, that's why you get crossed. Get split, get delisted, and knocked off. And I'm setting the whole block off. I'm buying GameStop and selling them roadblocks off. Jump out of bed, make profits. Eat my bacon and eggs, make profits. Light up, watching them candles profits while I'm still in my same making profits. They used to watch me move them packs. Now I watch moves in the NASDAQ. Used to run from the ATF and them cops. Now I run down ETF. Hey, my family. Hey, go, what we doing, my man? Hey, make profits. Hey, Shug, Mike, what we doing? Hey, make profits. Yo, Wolf, Professor, what we doing? Hey, make profits. That TTG money gang. Hey, make profits. We some snipers.
Hey, yo, what's up, everybody? What's going on? Happy Sunday evening. Welcome to the True Trading Group live stream. Hope you guys are enjoying football. Hope you're enjoying one of the last beautiful weekends maybe before the fall starts to roll on through. But don't get too comfortable, folks, because buckle up. We're getting ready for a ride of volatility and opportunity. It's going to be a big week. My name is Michael Edward, former award-winning hedge fund trader, now the current head trader at True Trading Group. Guys, I've been doing this for a damn long time now. It's been about 16 years. And in all of my years, this is the greatest trading environment that I have literally ever seen. I began my trading career working at a hedge fund in New York City in 2007. Then 2008 happened, and that was the Great Recession and the stock market crash. That word recession, you're starting to hear it more and more. But that is the same exact environment that I learned to be a trader. That is where I found my trader identity. And that is the exact same environment where I excelled, going on to receive one of the firm's Trader of the Year awards in 2008, which was the worst year for the stock market that any of you have ever lived through. Guys, now I'm the head trader at True Trading Group, though. And along with my team of 9 other professional traders and a staff of well over 20 people, we've now helped thousands of traders and investors from all over the world, from all walks of life, learn to trade and profit consistently. TTG is now the fastest growing and highest rated premium online trading educational platform that combines university level trading and investing courses with premium stock market tools, workshops, and mentorship on stocks, options, futures, crypto for all styles of trading, day trading, swing trading, and yes, even long-term investing. Speaking of workshops, big shout out to all of my TTG members that joined me just a few hours ago today in a live Head Start workshop to get you started on the right foot. If you guys enjoyed that workshop, if you attended it, give me a big shout out today in chat. If it helped you guys and it was beneficial, sound off. Something that we do inside True Trading Group, we hold workshops like this on different topics every single week. And today was another fantastic one. Guys, at True Trading Group, you have to understand, we are a platform. We literally take the university level of educational courses and curriculum, and we combine it with today's top financial trading and investing tools that are worth well over $5,000 a year on their own. If you went to those companies directly to pay for these tools, you're going to spend about $5,000 a year. That's a lot of money. We've done the work for you. We've negotiated deals with these companies to offer their products on the TTG platform so that you do not have to pay for them, but you can get the advantage of the information and the data that these tools provide that can help you make better decisions. That is the TTG difference. You're going to be getting access to all of those courses, all of those tools, in addition to the near 10,000 members of the TTG community that are hands down the most educated, most supportive, most helpful, and successful community of traders and investors out there. And you're going to get all of the real-time trade alerts from myself and the 9 other professional trading mods that are part of True Trading Group with you every single day that have been able to maintain around an 80% win rate cumulative collectively amongst all of us. We're now going on about 2 years. We're a family at True Trading Group. When I say welcome to the family, damn it, I mean it, and we leave no trader behind. If you are new to the True Trading Group channel, make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Smash that like button, share this stream on your own social media. Let's reach out, let's educate, let's empower as many retail traders as we possibly can. So for those of you that are joining us for just the very first time, welcome. Welcome. But folks, the time has finally come. Are we going to get 50 basis points? Are we going to get 75 basis points? Are we going to get 100 basis points at this week's Fed meeting? In case you have been living under a rock, we've got the Fed meeting this Wednesday at exactly 2 p.m. Eastern. We are going to find the answer. 50, 75, 100. What's it going to be? What are the market's reactions going to be? I've got an entire game plan on how I plan on making money this week, an entire game plan that I've worked on all weekend to try to figure out what is it going to be and what that number comes out and what Jerome Powell says, how is it going to impact markets, and how we as TTG members are going to be able to profit from that opportunity. And matter, you know what, folks? I've got a plan either way. I got a plan for 50. I got a plan for 75. I got a plan for 100. I don't really care what the number comes out to be. I don't really care whether or not the markets go up or down, because as active traders, we are able to take advantage and make money from that environment. Okay. You don't just have to only make money when stocks go up. A lot of people they just get held victim and they get held prisoner to their long-term portfolios. And the stock market goes down. They go, oh no, the stock market's going down. What do I do? Should I sell? What do I do? You don't have to do anything. You just have to get educated. You have to learn how to actually short stocks. You have to learn how to buy put options. You have to learn all of the different inverse ETFs that are out there, that you can actually buy these inverse ETFs. And as the market goes down, these ETFs actually go up. There are so many different ways for you to make money in a down market, in a volatile market. And the volatility that we have seen this year is unlike any volatility that I have ever seen. I've never seen an entire year. We are now in the month of September, and from January to September, the volatility has been off the charts. You always have, throughout courses of the year, you'll have brief moments of volatility. Even in 2008, 2008 was not as volatile as this year, did not give you the same type of trading opportunities that you have this year. And trust me, I know all about 2008. Remember, that's when I received one of the Funds Trader of the Year awards. That's the environment that I lived in. I thrive in this environment. I feel home at this environment. I'm not worried. I'm not scared. I'm not nervous. Neither are my TTG members, because it doesn't matter necessarily what the market's going to do. Now, I'm going to give you an entire plan. I'm going to give an entire plan on whether you get 50, 75, 100 basis points, what I think is going to make this market go up, what I think will make this market go down. And this environment is exactly the type of environment you do not want to try to predict. You want to react. There's certain times and there's certain market environments where you want to try to predict what is going to happen. There's other times when you need to sit back and react to the data, react to the fundamental catalyst. That's the kind of environment that you are in right now, because the market cares about a handful of different topics right now. And understanding what those topics are, and understanding what are the potential catalysts that can make the markets go up and what are the potential catalysts that can make the markets go down, is a very important aspect of trading that you need to understand. And if you don't understand it, don't worry about it, because you have myself and 9 other professional traders that are with you every single day, starting from 7:30 a.m. Eastern all the way through the market closes. As long as the stock market's open, my team of professional traders and myself are in there with you, giving you market commentary, giving you analysis, and giving you all of our trades and all of our positions. Someone's already asking about how much is this course. We are not just a course. We are a platform, okay? Abrahet, we are a platform. Abrahet just asked a question, how much is your course? It's not just a course. You guys got to realize when you join True Trading Group, you're not just joining like a Discord. And, I have a bunch of courses. TTG is a platform that, yes, you're going to get a bunch of courses, 18 of them to be exact, that are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned when I went through a 3-month educational training at the fund that I worked at in New York. Okay. Joe, you know what? Since some people are already asking about it, Joe, do me a favor, bud. Joe, just post the syllabus in chat real quick. So for those that are asking, Abrahet, and I see there's a couple other people that are asking about the course, I'm going to post a link Joe is going to post a link in chat right now. Thank you, Joe. Is going to post a link right now in chat. You guys can click on that link. You'll see a list of all of the courses that you're going to get access to when you join the TTG platform. But you're not just getting the courses. You're getting access to the tools that professional traders use that allow them to make better decisions, that give them an advantage, that give them an edge over the traditional retail trader. Because the traditional retail trader is not fully armed. They're not prepared. They just open up a Robinhood account and they go on Reddit and they think that they're going to have the same chances of success as, let's say, a professional trader that works at Goldman Sachs. And the reality is you are not. There's pieces of information, there's data, there's tools that professional traders have access to that they use. And I know this because I worked at a hedge fund. I know what the tools are. I know what helps you make better decisions. So we've gone out as a company and we've negotiated deals with the top companies on the street: Benzinga, Trade Ideas, TradingView, Quote Media, Polygon, the CBOE, ET&A. And we've negotiated deals with those companies to offer their products on our platform so that you, the retail trader, does not have to pay thousands of dollars a year to have access to this information. To spend $5,000 for those resources, a drop in the bucket for the trader at Goldman Sachs. But for the average retail trader, that's a hell of a lot of money. So we've done that work for you so you do not have to pay for it. That is the TTG platform. Okay. This is the environment, going back, this is the environment where you don't want to try to predict what the Fed is going to do. You want to react to what the Fed is going to do. You don't want to try to predict what the inflation data is going to be. You want to react to what the inflation data is going to be. And if that was ever more true, just look at what happened last week. Last week, the CPI data came out. The entire street, every analyst had expectations of 8.0, 8.1 or under on your CPI read. Okay. And what happened? I'll show you what happened. That number came out way higher than expected, 8.3, and the markets absolutely took a poop. Okay. Massive down day. Actually, the biggest down day that we've seen in 2 years. It was the 7th biggest point decline in Dow history. It was the 5th biggest S&P point decline in S&P history. And that is exactly what happened when the entire street thought that the CPI number was going to come in at 8.0 or under. And it was much higher. Don't try to predict what these numbers are going to be because it's a shot in the dark. You don't actually know what those numbers are going to be. It's like going to Vegas and saying, what's it going to come out? It's going to be red or black. And you're going to be like, it's going to be black. I know it's going to be black. No, you don't. It's a complete coin flip. Now, as a trader, I don't like coin flips. I don't like 50-50 odds. My job as a trader is to identify high probability patterns and setups in this market and teach my TTG family how to put themselves on the right side of that probability over and over again. Bigo says TTG is very expensive. It is actually not very expensive. Okay. It is still less than everything that you lose being uneducated and following social media. Some people complain that $1,100, $1,200 is very expensive. It is not. Just the tools that you get access to are worth $5,000 a year. You get access to that all included with your membership today, which is our very last day for a 45% discount on our membership, which brings the price all the way down to just $11.97. So $11.97 is a price for you guys here this evening, but that's still, I guarantee you, is still way less money than you have probably lost on your own, being uneducated, being unprepared, and trying to follow Mambo Jam's Kitty Cat on Reddit. Following Mambo Jam's Kitty Cat on Reddit, I guarantee, has probably lost you a lot more than $1,197. So the TTG platform is not expensive. An investment in yourself and an investment in an education and an investment in building a skill that can help you be better prepared to take advantage of the opportunities that this market presents to you, that can help you reach financial goals that you never thought were possible for yourself and your family. $11.97 is not expensive for that. It is far less expensive than the money that you are going to continue to lose trying to do this on your own, not prepared, not having access to a real education or the right tools, and trying to follow people on social media that you've never met a day in your life. I guarantee there's people that are on here right now that have lost way more than $11.97 trying to trade on their own. When you think of it that way, TTG's platform is actually one hell of a deal. It is a bargain at the price that it is currently sitting at, but it's not going to be there for long. As a matter of fact, you have literally until midnight tonight until that price jumps to up over $12.50, but it's $11.97 here today. And then Wednesday at midnight after the Fed meeting, it's going to $13.50. So don't let that happen. Take advantage of that price point that you guys have here right now, because everybody, you go on the news, you go on CNBC, you go on Bloomberg, you go on Fox, you go on CNN, you go anywhere, and people are talking about this R word. This word recession is getting thrown around a lot more, despite the fact that we've actually been in the technical definition of a recession for a few months now. The technical definition of a recession is what? 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth. That is the technical definition of a recession. Google it. Google the definition of recession. Go to Harvard Business School, anywhere you want. Go to any credible source. The definition is 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth. And we've already had that this year. Q1, Q2, negative GDP, negative GDP. So technically, you're already in a recession. But this is a recession unlike anything that anyone has ever experienced, because while you actually had 2 consecutive quarters of negative GDP growth, you also had a job market that strengthened. And that's not normal. That's not normal. The jobs market remains still extremely strong, as proven by the jobless claims numbers that you got last week. Jobless claims actually went down. Sherry comments, I see comments in chat. Most of the members have made their money back multiple times over and over. Yes, Sherry, very true. Very true. Most members of TTG are making money and they are becoming better traders, Big O. Big O was the person that commented and said TTG is very expensive. The fact of the matter is that members in True Trading Group with the education and the platform, they're now making money and they're becoming better traders. And I'll prove it to you. Guys, watch this real quick. Members of True Trading Group, my TTG fam, members that are on this live stream getting prepared for this week. I have a very simple question for you. Are you making money? Are you becoming better traders because of the TTG platform? If the answer is yes, I want you to type the $ in chat right now. So go ahead right now. Don't be shy. Type a $ if you're making money and becoming better traders. Big O and anybody else that's curious or is skeptical or is unsure, pay attention to how many $ come through this side of the screen, because these are your peers. These people right here that are typing the $, they found True Trading Group the exact same way that you did, and that's one of these live streams. And they learned more on one of these live streams than they've probably learned in the entire past year trying to do this on their own. There's nothing special about these people. I love them all to death. I carry the weight of the world on my shoulders, of the responsibility to help these people become successful and achieve their goals, but there is nothing special about them. They have the exact same excuses that you have. They've got small accounts. They've got full-time jobs. They had no experience prior. They lost money in the markets before, but now they're telling you that, hey, I'm actually making money. I'm becoming a better trader because of this platform. It is amazing what an actual education can do for you. There's no secret. A lot of people, when they join, they see me come on a live stream, hey, I'm award-winning hedge fund trader. They're like, wow, okay, finally, this guy's going to give me the secret. I don't have a secret. I don't have a secret pattern. I don't have a secret indicator. I don't have a secret equation that's going to give you 100% success rate. It doesn't exist. Stop looking for it. Traders will go their entire lives searching for that special secret, searching for that one person that can predict the future. You want to know what the real secret is? You want to know what the secret is to all of those people's success that type the $ in chat? It's being part of an actual community of traders and investors that genuinely give a damn whether you succeed or fail and will support you throughout your entire process, getting access to a real professional level of education that can teach you the proper way to be able to participate in this market, and having access to tools and resources that successful traders use that gives them access to more information that helps them make better decisions. That is what increases your chances of success, not some special chart pattern, not some special indicator. That's not the secret. The secret is an education and a platform that will increase your chances of success. Stop wasting your entire life searching for a unicorn being ridden by a leprechaun. You're going to spend your entire life and you're going to die a lonely death saying, I never found that damn unicorn. Where on earth is it? Keep looking for it. It's not there. You ain't going to find it. Going back to that jobs market, it's still insanely strong. Okay. You saw the jobs numbers last week. The jobs numbers last week, initial jobless claims, 218,000 or 213 or 216,000. 218,000 was the prior number. Well below analyst expectations. Initial continuing jobless claims expected to be 1.47, came in at 1.40. So still an extremely tight and extremely strong labor market. That's not normal. Sharon, what's up, man? You just copy paste Mikey Wolf or one of the 8 mods. You make it. I wouldn't be surprised in one day. TTG is a fam of traders with an 80% win rate. That is probably true. But I want you guys I want to teach you how to fish. I don't want you to just copy paste what myself or the other professional traders in True Trading Group do. Now you can, obviously, we come on the microphone, we talk to you during the day. I actually tell you, and the mods and I tell you what we're going to do before we actually do it. It's one of the main advantages of being part of the TTG community, because the mods and I don't just send out random trade alerts and you're left chasing those alerts. I will come on the microphone, as will the other moderators, and I will say, guys, this is what I'm seeing. This is what I'm going to do. See this stock? There's support at $10. I'm going to buy this stock at $10.20. My stop loss is going to be $9.40, and I plan on taking profit at $11, $11.75, and $12.50. And that is exactly what I will say to people during the day. And then when my order actually executes, that is when the trade alert comes through with a real-time notification that lets you know that my order has filled. Even if you can't be in front of your computer and you can't be in chat, don't worry about it. We've spent a lot of time and a lot of money developing a mobile app that's available on iPhone and Android, where you can listen to the audio, you can see the screen share, and you can also get real-time push notifications on that mobile app so you can follow along what the moderators are doing during the day. And we're not just a bunch of scalpers. We're traditional day traders. Our day trades last several hours. We do a lot of swing trading every day in True Trading Group. There are stocks and options being traded between myself and the 9 other professional traders. And every day there's day trades and swing trades being traded. So you don't have to worry about just blindly chasing alerts and never getting in the same price as the moderators, right? And the moderator gets in. By the time you get in, the stock's already up 10%. You don't have to worry about that crap here inside of True Trading Group. We tell you what we're going to do before we actually do it. One of the main advantages. I want you to be able to fish. I don't want you to rely on us, because if you rely on us, then essentially you just have a job and I'm your boss. When you decide that you're going to become a trader, you are the ultimate entrepreneur, where your success has no limit. My sister, love her to death, English teacher, high school. Doesn't matter how good of an English teacher she is. She's never going to make $300,000 a year, ever. Not possible. Not possible. Because her earning potential is limited. You as a trader, it's not limited. And that's one of my favorite things about being a trader. I want you to be able to understand why the mods are doing what they're doing, so that should, God forbid, something happen to me, you can still go on and you can still be able to profit from this market, and you can go on to reach financial goals for you and your family, whether or not that we're in a raging bull market or if we're in a bear market or if there's a recession. I don't really care if there's a recession, because guess what? Even when there's recessions, the stock market's still open. And it doesn't matter when stocks go up or stocks go down. You can make money in either environment. As a matter of fact, I think you can make more money when stocks go down, because when stocks go down, volatility goes up. And volatility is a trader's best friend. Volatility just means that stocks make bigger moves faster. That's volatility. Bigger moves, faster moves. That creates bigger percentage gain opportunities for traders. And when markets go down, stocks go down a lot faster than they go up. I always like to say, bulls, they take the stairs. Bears, they just take the window, right? Stocks go down a lot faster than they go up. Learning in a bear market is actually the best thing for you. That's what I did. I learned basically, I was a rookie on Wall Street. I was just thrown right into 2008. And that set me up for the discipline and the patience and the risk management that is the core of my trading today, that has made me the trader that I now am here, now going 16 years later. You want to learn in this environment. Learning in an environment like last year, 2021, all you had to do was be in anything. Doesn't matter what you were in. Everything just went up. That creates a lot of bad habits. And a lot of people that made a lot of money last year lost it all this year, because they don't know how to make money when stocks go down. But when stocks go down, that's when the real opportunity is presented. You can make money on the way down. Stop being a prisoner of your long-term portfolio. Stop worrying about, oh man, my 401k is down. What am I going to do? What are you going to do? You're going to get educated. You're going to get your butt in that market. You're going to actually make money on the way down. And then you're going to take that profit when the dust settles, as it always does. And then you're going to roll that profit into your long-term portfolio. And you are going to buy some of the greatest companies on earth at rock bottom Black Friday discount prices that you're going to look back a couple of years from now and you are going to say, wow, I sure am damn glad I listened to that guy in the Yankee hat, because that is how wealth is generated. That word recession scares a lot of people. It doesn't scare members of True Trading Group. I'll tell you that right now. I'll prove it to you. Members of TTG, are you nervous and scared about what's to come, or are you excited? Are you a kid in the candy store, or are you a scaled little puppy in the corner that is shivering with their tail in between their legs? You comment in chat. You tell me. I'm asking you, as members of True Trading Group, are you scared? Are you nervous? Are you uncertain? Or are you excited? Literally, comment, sound off in chat right now, because I promise you, there are people on this live stream right now that are not part of True Trading Group that are crapping their pants. They are scared to death about the people they see on YouTube saying stock market's going to go down 80%. No, it's not. This is not going to be 2008 again. Is the job market going to soften a little bit? Yes, but it has to. Are more people going to get laid off? Yes. Is the unemployment rate going to tick higher? Yes, but that has to happen in order to help bring inflation down. But the good news, you're already seeing some deflationary action in the job market, because you're seeing, you got to understand what happened. This is why this is such a unique scenario that we've never gone through before, because we never had the entire economy shut down because of a global pandemic. And that has thrown a wrench in the system on how economic data is read and how it's understood. You got to realize, normally every year people retire and they exit the labor market. And every year people graduate high school and they graduate college and they enter the labor force. And that exit and entrance has a balance. But with COVID, it pulled forward 2 to 3 years of exits and allowed no entries, because nobody can go to work. Nobody can graduate college and can go get a job. Every business was closed. So you got left with a mass exodus, this early retirement from many people. And that is what has created the insanely tight labor market that you have today, where there's 2 job openings for every 1 person looking for a job. That is bad for inflation. It causes wage inflation. Wages go up, that hurts inflation. Now you might say, oh, Mike, isn't wages going up a good thing? Yeah, for the individual person, it's a good thing. But for the global macroeconomics and for the global economy, wage inflation is a bad thing. But now what you're starting to see happen is because inflation is so high, a lot of the people that exited the labor market are now coming back to the labor market. You're seeing the older demographic coming back into the labor force at a higher pace. The labor participation rate is going up. That's a good thing. You want to see that happen. Okay? You want to see that happen. And in my opinion, this entire situation could bode very well for my end of year prediction, which I've talked to you guys a lot about on these live streams. And I do actually predict that we may have a Santa Claus rally going into the end of the year, but not until we experience another maybe 2 to 3 weeks of volatility. I still think there's more downside here to come in this market, but then I think the market stabilize and they find their footing in October, and then November, December, going into the end of the year, I think you are going to see a bit of a Santa Claus rally where the markets will bounce November, December. Now, do I think the markets go back to all-time highs? No. But do I think over the next 2 to 3 weeks, you are going to have tremendous opportunity to make money on the way down and then be left with tremendous opportunity to buy some stocks in your long-term portfolio before we get an end of the year bounce? That answer is yes. Yes. Yes, I do. Okay? What's happening right now is not normal. You don't normally have volatility in every single corner of the market. It doesn't matter what you trade right now. Small caps, mid caps, large caps, commodities, stocks, options. There is volatility in every single corner of this market. I've never seen anything like it. Usually pockets of opportunity and volatility move around the market, right? And you as a trader have to follow that volatility and follow that opportunity, be able to identify it. Right now, it's a target-rich environment, folks. It doesn't matter where you look. No matter where you look, there's opportunities literally every single day. And members in True Trading Group, we are proof of this. Because we'll go and we'll catch an HKD. We'll go and we'll catch an AAOI small cap. We'll go and we'll catch a GOVX small cap. And then we'll turn right around and we'll nail AMD. We'll nail NVIDIA. We'll nail Tesla. And then we'll go ahead and then we'll nail Sunrun and FSLR and some solar stocks. And then we'll hit some of the cruise lines, right? And then we'll hit some of the airlines. And then we'll go ahead and we'll buy SPY put options. There is something for everybody in this market. I don't care what type of trader that you are. Okay, I actually did a workshop today about trader identity and figuring out what style and what strategy is going to be best for you. My teaching members, hope you guys really enjoyed that workshop. It was a hell of a lot of fun. I commend you guys for spending time with me on a Sunday to go through it. Totally free for teaching members because that's the extra training and the extra workshops and the mentorship and the guidance that you get when you join the TTG family. It's all included. Okay, it's all included. Right now, literally right now, I don't care what people are talking about down the road. Right now, you as a consumer are cashed up and you have job security for now. Yes, I said for now, because the labor market is at 50-year lows of unemployment. Okay, we were at 3.5, now we're at 3.7. Okay, still extremely low. Now, yes, I'll say this again. That number is going to continue to tick higher probably over the next 6 months. Okay, the labor market will soften over the next 6 months, but it has to. It's the entire reason why the market started crashing there in August. So yes, right now you are cashed up and you have job security. And while that's the case, you have a stock market that is volatile as all hell, which translates into opportunity. Some of the best companies on planet are headed to Black Friday discount prices. And the opportunity that you have too many times. I guarantee you, many of you have probably felt this exact same way. You see the stock market crash in 2020, and then you look back a year, 2 years later, and you say, man, if only I invested then. And then you look back during 2018, the markets crashed in 2018. They go, oh man, if only I invested back then, right? I'll show you, like 2020, right? Here's your 2020 crash. Everybody says, oh man, if only I invested back then. And then here's 2018. Oh, if only I invested back then, right? You go back even further. We can keep playing this game. Oh, 2008, if only I invested back then. Well, now here you are again with the stock market going down, and you have another opportunity to say, if only I invested back then. Stop saying woulda, shoulda, coulda, and start saying, damn sure glad that I did. Because when nobody wants to invest, that is when the greatest investment opportunities are around. And I plan over the next probably 2 to 3 weeks, folks, if I'm right on this, and I've been dead right about my stock market calls for the last 2 years. You've been following my live streams for a while. I told you in 2020. Now, I didn't predict the COVID crash because nobody predicted COVID. But when the crash happened, I told you I'm going all in. I bought everything I can get my hands on in March and April of 2020. Go back and watch my live streams from March and April of 2020. I was screaming from the rooftops to buy some of the best companies on planet Earth. And it was the best investment decision I've ever made in my entire life. At the end of 2021, I told you on these live streams, go back and watch my videos, September and October of last year. I told you I am selling my long-term portfolio because I think we're going to have a crash in 2022. Then on June 17th of this year, which actually so far happens to be the low of the year, I went in there and I told you, go back, go watch June 17th live stream. I said, guys, I'm adding my long-term portfolio, and damn sure am glad that I did. But I still have cash on the sideline. And I'm getting ready to deploy more of that capital because I think that there's a little more downside to come in this market over the next couple of weeks. And then we can stabilize in October and then be set up for that Santa Claus rally, November, December, that I was talking about. For everyone that's worrying about their job or a weakening economy, guess what? Nothing that we are going to experience is going to be like 2008, which was the worst financial crisis that this planet has ever seen. None of you were alive during the Great Depression. The Great Recession was the worst recession that we have ever seen, and that was in 2008. And I'm telling you, I lived through that. I worked on Wall Street. I saw it happen before my eyes. This is not that. That's the environment that I learned to trade and invest. That's where I discovered my trader identity. And ever since, it has molded me into the trader and investor that I am now today. This environment does not worry me. Why? Because as long as that stock market's open, it doesn't matter if whether we go up, down, left, right, sideways, or inside out. I don't need to worry about my financial future. I am in control. And that freedom is what you have a real shot at achieving when you guys become members of the True Trading Group community. During COVID, nobody had a warning. Almost from one day to the next, people were forced to close their business. They were furloughed. They were laid off. They were fired with no warning whatsoever. Now, you can't open your eyes in the morning without hearing, oh, recession, recession, recession. Well, guess what? I do not believe this is going to be as extreme as 2008. The labor market is so strong that I believe that is going to shield us from a bad recession. But you have the heads up right now. You do not need to be caught by surprise like so many people were in 2020. TTG in this market has something for everyone right now. Like I said, whether you day trade, swing trade, long-term investing, it doesn't matter. I gave you some of those examples just before. I keep telling you day after day, night after night, that this is the most opportunity-filled market that I have literally ever seen. For those of you that are currently afraid and currently anxious, listen up, listen good, because I want to play a game of what if with all of you for just a second. Let's play a game of what if. What if during the stock market crash of 2020, when the world was consumed by a new virus and the planet was on lockdown and everybody was panicking and was hoarding cash and the world was ending, it was going to be zombie apocalypse, we're all going to have to live in the woods off of canned food. What if instead during that time you actually had a clear mind and you stepped in and you invested in companies like NVIDIA? What happens if you invested in a company like NVIDIA, a stock that's down 50% this year alone? And even with that stock being down 50%, if you had the wherewithal to invest in 2020, like I did, like the rest of the members in True Trading Group did, you'd still be up 150% on that investment. Even with that stock being down 50% this year alone, you're still up 150%. What if you invest in a stock like Tesla? You're up 850% if you bought Tesla back in 2020. If you bought Datadog, another company that I like, you're still up 160%. Another stock that's down more than 50% just this year alone, that stock's still up 160%. Occidental Petroleum, a stock that we own in True Trading Group, from about $12.60. You're up about 430% on that stock. Chipotle, 220%. There's still amazing opportunities out there. And when stocks go down, that is when the opportunity presents itself. The point here is that the whole world was panicking in 2020. It was the end of times. Oh no, the world is ending. This is it. When the stock market's never going to recover, the economy's never going to recover. And all those people were dead wrong. That was an opportunity. Matter of fact, that was the greatest investment opportunity of my life. I didn't have the money that I have now back in 2008. If I did, 2008 would have been the greatest investment opportunity of my life. But you bet your ass, I was not going to let another 30% plus decline in the stock market pass me by. Because every single time throughout history, and this is a fact, this is not an opinion, go back and look at the charts, this is a fact. If every time the S&P went down more than 20% in 1 year, if you invested in the market at that time, you would be up money just 1 or 2 years later. Even if you invested in 2008, when the market was only down 20, let's say 5%. Now, 25% was nothing because we actually finished the year down 38 and we went down even further in 2009. But let's say you invested in the market, let's say down, 25%, right? And you were super early and the markets went all the way down here. Well, guess what? By the end of 2009, you're already up money. That's the worst recession and the worst stock market crash that any of you have ever been alive to see. It's actually the worst single percentage decline in S&P history. Down 38% in 1 year is the worst single 1 year decline. Now, the S&P ended up going down about 55% from the 2007 all-time high to the 2009 low. We went down about 55%. And even if you were early on that stock market crash, you were up money just 1 year later. That's because when everybody is running around with their hair on fire, that is when the best opportunities present themselves. The point is that people panicked in 2008, people panicked in 2020, and people are panicking here now again. And when people panic, that's when I get excited. That's when the transfer of wealth takes place. It's the people that don't know what they're doing, they don't understand how markets work, and they panic at the bottom and they sell. And who is there to scoop up everyone else's shares? It's the professionals. It's the institutions. They want to scare the crap out of you because they want you to bail out of Apple and Microsoft and Alphabet and Amazon. They want you to bail out of all of these companies so that they can be there to pick up the pieces. And then you're going to wait until the market goes back to all-time highs to say, well, market's back at all-time highs. It must be a good time to invest in the market. Wrong. When the market is down is the best time to invest in the market. The whole point of the market is buy low, sell high. How can you do that if you wait until the stock is at an all-time high in order to buy it? None of you will wait to say, oh, hey, you know what? I'm looking to buy a brand new TV. None of you are going to buy a brand new TV on November 10th. Why? Why would none of you buy a brand new TV on November 10th? Because you know Black Friday, that TV is going to be 40% cheaper. And you are all going to literally fight people in Best Buy, fist fight, and wait online for 5 hours in freezing cold weather to get that 40% discount on an item, on an electronic that's going to lose half of its value within the first 1 or 2 years that you're going to own it. Why are you so excited to buy a TV down 40%, but you won't buy NVIDIA down 50%? Why? NVIDIA, in my opinion, AMD, in my opinion, you fast forward down the road years from now, those are going to be two of the most powerful companies on planet Earth. You should be salivating in your mouth at the opportunity to buy those stocks at cheaper prices. You don't want to wait until NVIDIA goes back to $300. It's at $130. I think there's a little bit more downside there, but the point is, why would you want to buy NVIDIA at $300 when you can buy it at $130? The point here, folks, is that when everybody panics, that's when the opportunity presents itself. And speaking of opportunity in the market, at TTG, we empower the retail trader, and part of that empowerment is helping with the heavy lifting when it comes to identifying those profitable trades. You guys can use this volatility over the next couple of weeks to build up cash and use that cash to buy in your long-term portfolios. The opportunity exists right now, but it's not going to last forever. You usually don't have a market that's this volatile, where every single corner of the market, every single week, every single month of the year, the market is absolutely on fire. And when I say on fire, I'm not talking about raging to all-time highs. I mean, it's on fire with profitable trading opportunities. It seems like every single week we're hitting home runs here inside of TTG. So it's time that you guys take this serious. Otherwise, 1 or 2 years from now, you're going to look back and you're going to say the exact same thing you said in 2020. You're going to say the exact same thing you said in 2018. You're going to say the exact same thing you did in 2008. I wish. Stop wishing and start doing. And that doing starts right here, right now, because the week that is about to unfold before you with the Fed meeting on Wednesday, it is going to be a major market moving event. I told you this a week and a half ago, that the CPI inflation data that we got last Tuesday, I told you that last Sunday. You go back and watch last Sunday's live stream. I told you this is going to be a major market moving event. Do not miss this opportunity. And what happened? The biggest decline that you've had in 2 years, the 7th biggest decline in the Dow ever, the 5th biggest decline in the S&P ever. I'm telling you now again, and it's about time that you start listening. This week is going to be another major market moving event. And so far, the stage is set for me to I've been right so far for the last 2 years. And I'm not a Monday morning quarterback. I don't come on and say, oh, look what I did. No, I come on these live streams and I tell you ahead of time what I expect to happen. I've laid out for you my entire thoughts on what this market does for the rest of the year. I've been dead right since 2020, and I plan on continuing to be right for the rest of the year. And this right now is your opportunity. It's time to get serious. Let's get down. Let's talk about what this live stream we're going to unfold for you guys here today. Welcome. Hope you guys are excited as I am. I can't even forget about football. I don't even care what's going on. I don't care about football right now. Football doesn't make me money. This is what makes me money. This live stream is going to go down as follows. I'm going to cover 5 of the most commonly asked questions that we have got over the weekend from members of True Trading Group, but also on social media. You guys want to give me a follow on Twitter? Go ahead. My Twitter handle is @MikeEdward_TTG. Again, it's @MikeEdward_TTG. That's my Twitter handle. I'm always posting market commentary, trade ideas, and that kind of stuff on social media. You can reach out to me. You can ask me questions, all that kind of good stuff. So follow me on Twitter. We're going to go over 5 of the most commonly asked questions that we got from members and people on the internet. Then I'm giving you my game plan. I'm going to lay out for you my game plan this week, how I plan on making money. And I'm going to throw in there a very special lesson on risk management to help deal with this type of volatility that you have in this market. And then we're going to be giving away a special $2,000 one-on-one NFT giveaway to one lucky TTG member right here on this live stream. I can't wait. Before we go any further, though, I have to do welcome. We got to welcome a new member, new family member, Kamal. Kamal, welcome to the family. Everybody welcome Kamal. Kamal's the newest member of the fam. What's up, Kamal? Welcome. Folks, that means there are now 19. We had 20. Now there's 19. Kamal just grabbed one. We started this live stream with 20 laptops. We've now got 19. There are 19 laptops available for anyone that goes to ttgoffer.com. Manually enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. You're going to get yourself not only a 45% discount on the membership. It's normally $2,212. Tonight, this evening, is the last night for that 45% discount, which drops the price to $11.97. It's good until midnight tonight. And the next 19 people that do so will get themselves a brand new Asus, HP, Acer, Dell, or Lenovo laptop. Okay? And then at midnight tonight, the price jumps to $12.50. Save yourself the $53. Grab the $11.97 price point here this evening and get the free laptop. Anyone that goes to ttgoffer.com, enters the code TTG121, 45% off, drops the price to $11.97. Again, this is going to be the last night of that $11.97 price point before that price gets moved up. And I also can't guarantee you that we're going to have more laptops beyond this evening. There's 19 spots left. You do not need to enter your address when you check out to get the laptop. Once you sign up to TTG, you're going to get a welcome email. In that welcome email will be instructions how to claim that free laptop. Okay, so listen up. Anyone that goes to ttgoffer.com, manually enters the code TTG121, you'll save 45% off, and you're going to get that brand new free laptop. TTG is like the Netflix of trading communities, folks. You pay that $11.97, you get access to all of our tools, all of our courses. There's no upsells for courses and tools. You don't join and then all of a sudden there's more courses that cost you another $1,000. None of that. Okay. That $11.97 covers all of it. The entire 18 course curriculum. Joe, if you don't mind, maybe post the syllabus up again for anyone that missed it the first time. We're going to post a link in chat. You guys can click on that. You'll see the list of all the courses you get access to as a member. That also includes $5,000 worth of tools from companies like Benzinga, TradingView, Quote Media, Trade Ideas, CBOE, Polygon, right? These are tools that can help you make better decisions, that can increase your chances of success. but would cost you around $5,000 if you went to the companies directly. We've spent years building relationships with those companies to have their product on our platform so you don't have to pay for it. You're also going to get the real-time trade alerts from myself and the 9 other professional trading mods that are in TTG that have been able to sport a cumulative win rate of around 80% for the last now 2 years and access to the best damn community of nearly 10,000 traders and investors that all share the same goal to learn, trade, and profit together. TTG is a family, and our members are the reason why. Of course, also, anyone that joins this evening, you're getting our double your money back guarantee. I don't think you're going to need it, but it's very real. It does exist to give you peace of mind. I did not stutter. I am going to give anyone that joins tonight a double their money back guarantee. It's actually quite simple. This is how it works. You have 12 months. That's the length of your membership. You don't have to do this all within 30 days. You have 12 months. Go through our courses, pass our quizzes, attend one study group. We do study groups every week. I'm saying join one of them. If you do those 3 things and are still unable to make back your membership fee of $11.97 here today, if you can't make that membership fee back at least once, I'm going to give you double your money back. That's $2,394. That's how confident I am that this platform can help you reach your goals. Now, more on that in a bit, but our track record speaks for itself. I can't guarantee that you're going to be successful just because you joined True Trading Group. I can't do that, and I won't do that. But what I can share with you is that our refund rate since 2016 is around 2.6%. We've only had to refund about 2.6% of our users. That's why I can offer you double your money back without blinking an eye. I can also share with you that our retention rate, meaning how many members renew their membership, is roughly 78%. We're also 5-star rated on Trustpilot with over 1,750 reviews. So based on what members tell us, based on the reviews they leave, based on our retention rate and our refund rate, I can very confidently sit here and tell you that TTG has worked for thousands of people. And if you're willing to put forth a little bit of effort, I'm confident it can work for you as well. Everything that you get with your annual membership, it is on the checkout page. All the tools, all the courses for just $11.97. You are never charged another $1 for courses or tools. And that includes any new course and new tool that we add to the platform after you've already signed up. There are 19 spots left until this evening. Go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121. You don't have to enter your address. Again, you'll get a welcome email after you join with instructions how to claim the free laptop. And folks, this is also open to all trial members. If you are currently a trial member of TTG, or you were previously a trial member, or even if you were previously an annual member and you want to come back to the TTG family, I welcome you with open arms. But if you want the $11.97 price point, don't go to ttgoffer.com if you're a previous trial, or previous member. Instead, we have to whitelist your email address. So rather send a text message to 786-505-4049. We're going to post that number right at the bottom of your screen. That phone number is 786-505-4049. Send a text message. Don't call that number. It's a text-only phone number. But send a text that number, and we'll get you guys taken care of. We'll get you hooked up with the $11.97 price point and the free laptop before the price jumps at $12.50 at midnight tonight. You can also send a text to that phone number if you have any questions about this membership. You have any questions? No problem. Text that number. We'll answer any question you have about True Trading Group and how it works and how you can get started. As long as you see a laptop inside your checkout cart, remember, there's 19 of them there tonight. As long as you go to ttgoffer.com and see a laptop, that's how you know that you are getting one. That's how you know you're getting a free laptop. And speaking of laptops, now there's 17. We have to welcome Tran and Kevin. Tran and Kevin, welcome to True Trading Group, folks. You are the newest members of the family. It is my pleasure and honor to introduce you to the entire TTG fam, but now there's just 17 spots left. Guys, these laptops are going to go quick. This is a big week. People want answers. People want to be prepared. People want to have an edge. Get your laptop and the $11.97 price point before it's too late. Go to ttgoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. Don't forget the double your money back guarantee. It's there for peace of mind, but I don't think you're going to need it, considering I've only had to refund roughly 2.6% of our users. So sorry about that quick little early sales pitch, folks, but I did want to make sure that everybody understands the offer that's available here today, because this is going to be a huge week. It's going to be a huge week. 50 basis points. 75, 100. We got to welcome Joe now. Joe's the newest member, guys. Now there's just 16 laptops left. I told you these are going to go quick. Don't even wait for me to finish this live stream. I've been talking for less than an hour, and we're already down to 16. These laptops are going to fly. People want to be prepared, as they should. The secret's out. The secret's out. You see members all over the place talking to you guys about True Trading Group. Secret's out. Don't trade through this alone. Don't try to guess what this market's going to do. Be prepared. React. And the mods and I will walk you through every single step and every single action that we take. Again, if you have any questions about the membership, send a text message to 786-505-4049. Or if you're a trial member, previous trial or previous member, you too. Send a text that number. We'll get you guys hooked up and taken care of. All right. Now, with that being said, let's roll on over into the top 5 most commonly asked questions that we get from members and also on the internet. So let's roll that ahead, folks. And now let's start talking about what are the top 5 questions that we get asked the most. Question number 1. Let me take a quick little sip of water, and then we're going to dive into our top 5 questions. Broken Motivator says, I joined because of the money back guarantee. And after 1 month of trading with TTG, Mike, and learning the courses, I made my membership fee back in that same first month, and I haven't looked back since. Broken Motivator, I'm proud of you, bro. I really am proud of you and the success that you're having, my man. Glenn, you're the best, bro. Glenn Wilson, my man, username money in chat. You're the best, bro. Glenn Wilson goes, Mike is the smartest trader I ever saw in my 60 years of trading. Man, you got me beat, Glenn. You got me beat, man. But I appreciate the comments, bro. I love you. I love all you guys, my TTG fam. You guys are coming out strong here tonight. We're ready to get prepared to tackle what's going to be a big week. So, first question. Other than the overall markets, what stocks are you watching this week and why? Great question. Okay. What stocks am I watching and why? Well, I think we've got a little bit more downside in the market. So what am I going to be looking at here? I'm looking at, if I think the market's going to continue to go to the downside for the next couple of weeks, I want to look at the stocks that have been the weakest in the market. What are those stocks? The stocks that have been the weakest in the entire market. First up, Meta. Meta. This stock has gotten pulverized. Meta has broken below a major support level. As you can see here on my chart, okay, Meta had a major support level at 154, 155. That level was broken on Tuesday. We extended to the downside, and now we are trading down in the 140s. Any type of bounce back in Meta back into this region, in my opinion, is shortable. I'm looking for a bounce back in Meta back over 150 to get short against that 154, 155 backstop, and then look for Meta to actually continue to the downside. Meta has a massive support level once you get down into the low 140s, okay? The low 140s, that's going to be your COVID low. We have not yet tested that COVID low, but I do think Meta gets down to test the COVID low. Everybody welcome David. David's the first member. David is the newest member of the TTG family. David, welcome to the TTG family. That means now there's 15 laptops left. 15 laptops remaining. Everybody welcome David. Guys, again, I'm telling you, just go to ttgoffer.com, enter that code, TTG121. That'll get you the 45% off. It'll get you the free laptop. It'll get you the double your money back guarantee. The price is going to jump to $12.50 after midnight. So you guys can use that coupon code now. If you have any questions, send a text to 786-505-4049. David, welcome to the TTG family. All right. So I am looking at Meta. I like Meta. It's been one of the weakest stocks in the entire market all year. It's been one of the weakest stocks in the entire market for the last couple of weeks. And this is a stock that I think has more downside. And I think you will see Meta down here in the low 140s. So any type of bounce back into the 150s, I like that for the short down into the 140s. That is another stock that I'm going to be looking at. What other stocks am I going to be looking at? And yep, you guessed it, NVIDIA, another one of the weaker stocks in the market. What I want to focus on here on NVIDIA is this 133 level. This 133 level on NVIDIA, for me, it's a big level, okay? This area right here used to be a level of support. And you can see here very clearly, support, 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 support at 133. We broke beneath that level on Tuesday, and so far, for not one, not two, but 3 consecutive trading days, we've held beneath 133. Okay, so we've held beneath now that 133 level for the last couple of days. Now, as I take a look over at the futures market is green here, but green just slightly. So if that green futures market holds, you get a little bit of a gap up tomorrow. We'll see. I'm not really necessarily convinced yet on a sustainable gap up. I think you may gap up early in the morning tomorrow. We'll talk about this in my game plan as we get later on, but then I think we might fade it. I'll talk about that a little bit later. But I am going to look to see if NVIDIA cannot get back over 133, 134 to possibly be able to get on that NVIDIA short, as NVIDIA has room, in my opinion, NVIDIA has room down to the low 120s. We got to about 127. I think there's a little bit more room to the downside. Erwin Bourne says, do you have Canadians participating in your platform? Erwin, we have a ton of Canadians. Where's all my Canadian TTG members? Give me a If you guys are my Canadian members, sound off in chat right now. We've got members all over the world.
You just missed an opportunity to do.
Hold on, Adam. Put the volume up. What's that?
You just missed an opportunity to go. Oh.
Screwed up. So if you guys are Canadian, sound off in chat. Erwin, we've got members all over the world. We got about 10,000 members in True Trading Group. We have members in Canada, Mexico, the UK, Spain, Italy, the Netherlands, Russia, India. We have members in the Philippines, Hong Kong, Australia, New Zealand. We have members literally all over the world, man. We have members all over the world, Erwin. So like I said, literally members in every corner of the globe. All right. So NVIDIA, another one that I'm going to be watching for weakness there. A stock that I'm looking at that is actually really strong is going to be Tesla too. Tesla's a monster right now. We got to welcome Matthew, though. Matthew is the newest member of the TTG fam, which means there's now 14 laptops remaining. These laptops are starting to go quick. I told you guys, ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121. That will get you the 45% discount, the free laptop, and the double your money back guarantee. I'm not kidding about the double your money back. If you can't make $11.97 at least once during your membership, I'm going to give you $2,394 back. Once we get down to 10, these laptops are going to fly. They always do. Everybody loves free stuff. I get it. We cover the shipping costs. I don't care where you are. You live on planet Earth. We're going to get you that free laptop, and we cover the shipping costs. Our gift for joining the TTG family. Okay. Tesla, another stock that I'm looking at here this week. Why? Tesla's one of the strongest stocks in the entire market. Okay. It's still actually holding up very well. It's one of the only stocks that you can find that's still above the 200-day, 50-day, and 100-day moving averages. All 3 major moving averages, Tesla is actually sitting above, and there's a major resistance level that sits up here around $315. And I believe that Tesla, if the markets, let's say, actually bounce, and you might have maybe have a green day mixed in there, I think that you have a shot at seeing Tesla climb back up towards 315, 314, somewhere in that region. So it's like, if the markets actually move higher, I'm looking to be long Tesla. And I'm also looking to be long Netflix. Okay, I'm also looking to be long Netflix, another stock that's actually been very, very strong. I think that Netflix wants to get up and wants to test 250. So again, if there's a move to the upside, I gave you 4 different stocks. 2 stocks that are weak that I'm going to short if the markets go down. 2 stocks that are strong that I'll go long if the markets actually move higher and bounce back. And this major level up here at 250, I think you're going to see Netflix get up there and test that 250 level. And that is a massive level of resistance. I'm curious real quick, guys. Somebody was asking about that double your money back guarantee. How many members that are here on this live stream, if you're a member and you have made back your membership fee, type the number 1 in chat right now. Type the number 1 in chat if you have made back your membership fee. Type the number 1 in chat right now if you have made back your membership fee as a member of True Trading Group. Okay? Guys, if you're not a member, pay attention. Chris, C. Haggins, Joseph Thomas, Louis Bernardi, Jimmy Hart, Old Guy, Michael Sears, Ant, Z Jock, Determined, Rooster, Lena, Sope, Soccer Mom, Green Thumb, Dave Norby, yes, Edward Kaufman, Nobody Like You, Chris Botsis, What's Up, Brother, Dale, Tim PK, TTG Jacole, Donald Holt, Crazy by Nature, Lumi, The Husky Giant, Lady Boss, Greg, Skyburst, Yo, Tony, what's up? Antonig, Gashia Nader, Kareem, Peter, Daniel, Don, Thomas, Lakeisha, Francis. I can't even read all these names. Nick, Johnny, Fixer Upper, Coffee, iCal, Dana, Ticker, Gerald, Debs, Money Flow, Still Learning, OK Trader, Rip City, Stan the Man, JBR, Andrew Knudsen, Tyler, Brand. All of you typing the number 1. Guess what? You just voided your money back guarantee, folks. No double your money back guarantee for you because you've already made back your membership fee. Listen, congratulations, but you just kind of played yourself on that one. All of you that just typed the number 1 in chat, no double your money back guarantee for you guys. But the point is, folks, I don't think you're going to need it, right? I don't think you're going to need it. You saw the members that just commented in chat that they've already made back their membership fee. That's why I don't think you're going to need your double your money back guarantee, but it's there. It's real. It's there for peace of mind. You just got to be willing to put forth a little bit of effort. I'm just asking you, go through the courses, pass the quizzes, attend one study group. Do those things, please. Utilize the platform that you're actually subscribing to. And if you can't make back the $11.97, I'll give you double your money back. Next question. The Fed meeting is 2 days. Are both days as important? And what other events happen this week that can move the markets? Good question. No. Well, yes and no. Yes, it's 2 days. No, they're not as equally as important. The Fed will meet physically for 2 days. They meet on Tuesday, they meet on Wednesday, and then Wednesday at 2 p.m. we get their decision. Their decision is how many basis points are they going to raise interest rates? Are they raising rates by 50 basis points, by 75, by 100? What's it going to be? We get that Wednesday at 2 p.m. Tuesday's meeting from the Fed, you're not going to get any pieces of information from the Fed on Tuesday. It's a blackout period until you get their announcement on Wednesday. So Wednesday is the major market moving event. What other catalysts are there this week that could potentially move the markets? Jobs. Immediately following the Fed's decision on Wednesday, you are going to get smashed with jobs numbers, initial jobless claims, and continuing jobless claims. You're also going to get leading economic indicators. These are 3 important things that the market's going to be watching on Thursday, which is why I'm telling you that this week is going to be an insane week for trading opportunities. The volatility is going to be nuts. I told you this last Sunday, I told you that the CPI and the PPI data was going to move the markets big time. I told you, and it did. I'm telling you again, pretty sure I'm going to be right about this one again. Okay, so it's going to be the Fed on Wednesday. That's going to be all your job numbers on Thursday. This is going to move the markets. All right, so these are major catalysts that are going to move markets here this week. Great question. Next question. Kim, hold on, timeout. Kim, welcome to the TTG family. There's 13 laptops left. However, Kim, you just paid full price. Kim, you did not enter the coupon code. So Kim, listen up. You're on this live stream, right? You didn't enter the coupon code, so you paid full price. You didn't get the discount. So here's what we're going to do. We will refund you the difference, okay? You got to enter the coupon code, guys. So Kim, don't worry about it. You paid in full, but tomorrow we will refund you the difference, Kim, okay? So we'll reach out to you tomorrow. We're going to refund you that difference. You guys have to enter the coupon code when you go to ttgoffer.com. You have to manually enter TTG121. Click apply code. The price will then drop to the $11.97. And then as long as you see a laptop in your checkout cart, they're going fast. We had 20 when we started this live stream. We are down to now just 13. Once we get to 10, they're going to fly. It happens every time. So as long as you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. You don't have to enter your address. You'll get a welcome email with instructions how to claim that free laptop once you guys subscribe and you become a member of the TTG family. And again, if you have questions, 786-505-4049. Next question. What are the best ways to take advantage of trading the SPY this week? Options. Okay. If you guys want to take advantage of trading the SPY, options is the best way to do it. If you do not know how to trade options, do not sweat it. We will teach you in True Trading Group. There's a lot of members on this live stream that never traded options before, and now they're making money. Matter of fact, members, type the number 2 if you did not know anything about options before you joined True Trading Group, but now you're making money. If you knew nothing about options before TTG, now you're making money, type the number 2 in chat right now. Folks, options is a fantastic way for you to take advantage of volatility in this market. It's also a fantastic way for people that have small accounts to try to grow those accounts rather quickly. Okay. Now, with options comes greater potential reward, but also comes greater potential risk. It is very important. Look at all these people typing the number 2 in chat. This is insane. It's amazing what an education can do. Okay. It's amazing. You don't know how to trade options. Don't worry about it. We'll teach you. We have moderators and professional traders in TTG that have been trading options for over 20 years. They're going to teach you. We have option courses specifically about options. We'll teach you how to do this. Okay. But trading options, like I said, greater potential reward, but also greater potential risk. They make bigger percentage moves than individual stocks do. So you have to know what you're doing. Don't just blindly YOLO yourself into options, not knowing any idea about what it is that you're doing, because that's how you guys can get hurt. We're going to teach you the proper way to trade options and control your risk doing so. But that is how you should be taking advantage of the SPY, because Mike always gives members who paid full price the difference. It would be so easy for TTG to keep the money. Damn right, man. Integrity means something to us at True Trading Group. We're fully transparent. We're the most honest crew that you guys are going to find out there. That's a comment from Wizard. Wizard, what's up, man? I appreciate you. Hope you're doing well. Hope you had a nice weekend. But yeah, man, I mean, integrity still means something to us at True Trading Group. And, you know, if somebody paid full price, it was a mistake. And, you know, when you join the TTG family, guys, that coupon code is for people on the live stream. Like if you were to go to TTG's website on your own, you're not going to get access to that $11.97 price point and that coupon code. The normal price is $22.12 if you just went to our website. It's people that spend time with me on these live streams that instead of watching football or instead of watching Netflix or doing whatever else that you're doing, you're trying to get educated. You're trying to get access to information, knowledge that can help you make money. That's why we're on these live streams. Not for you to watch other people make money. You're on these live streams for you to make money. And my goal here is to give you guys as much information, as much education, as many lessons, as much guidance as I possibly can based on my experience and my education and my knowledge that can help you guys reach your goals. And if you're going to be serious enough to spend time with me on a Sunday evening, we're going to give you that coupon code. It's for people that are on these live streams. So integrity still means something to us. I'm happy to do it. So Kim, we will refund you the difference. Okay. So options. Okay. Wing Chung Poon, welcome to the TTG family. Wing Chung Poon, welcome. Newest member of the TTG family. Guys, that means there's now just 12 laptops left. Okay. 12 laptops left. You guys just have to go to ttgoffer.com, enter the code TTG121, and that's how you're going to get that 45% discount. Okay. So Wing Chung Poon, welcome to the TTG family. 12 of those laptops left. Remember, as long as you see a laptop, you guys are good. You're getting one. Okay. And you also have the double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need it, but it's there. All right. Guys, I'm telling you, once we get to 10, these laptops are going to fly. Laptops are going to fly. Okay. Now, yes, options trading the SPY. If you want something that's a little bit lower volatility, UVXY is a great way too. UVXY is an ETF that tracks the VIX. So when the market has a big down day, you'll typically see a big move to the upside on the VIX and therefore a big move to the upside on UVXY. This is very, very low volatility. So this is another way that you can actually take advantage of the SPY if you don't want to trade SPY options, because SPY options tend to be pretty volatile. If you are a brand newbie, I think UVXY is a great place to start. All right. So like I said, guys, don't worry about it if you're not sure how to trade options. We'll teach you guys how to do that when you guys become members of TTG. Next questions. Cole, it's my pleasure, Cole. It really is my pleasure, man. Cole goes, I love it even though I don't have the extra money for this. You do these free streams for everyone to help us all a little more. That's my goal, man. I want TTG to be the reason that nobody refers to retail traders as dumb money ever again. Memphis Street Doc, thank you. Memphis Street Doc goes, your predictions and knowledge is what brought me to the TTG membership. Your integrity is why I became a lifetime member. Next question. Is it possible to become a full-time trader, or is that pie in the sky? Nice. Is that pie in the sky? I never saw a pie in the sky. Yes, it's possible. There's a lot of members in True Trading Group that are full-time traders. There's a lot of members in TTG. Here, members. Again, members. If you are now a full-time trader and you're a member of True Trading Group, type the number 1 in chat right now. Sound off in chat. If you are a full-time trader, type the number 1 in chat right now. If you're a member of TTG. It's absolutely possible. It's not easy, right? You're not going to join True Trading Group and quit your job 30 days later. But just watch how many people type the number 1 in chat right now. All these people that type the number 1, they're full-time traders. Full-time traders now with the TTG platform. So is it possible? You bet your ass it's possible. But these people didn't just wake up one day and become successful traders. They went through the courses. They attended the study groups. They passed the quizzes. They got an education. They put in some work. You guys got to realize that if you want to become a successful trader, it's a skill. It's not luck. It's not predicting the future. It's a skill. And just like any other skill, it requires you to put forth a little bit of effort to gain that skill. And here's the proof. Here's your proof. Next question. Take another quick little sip of my water. I'm hyped up. It's hot in here, man. Keith, newest member of the family. What's up, Keith? Welcome to the TTG crew. 11 laptops now left. Everybody welcome Keith. Welcome, Keith. 11 laptops left now, guys. That's it, 11. Go to ttgoffer.com and enter the coupon code TTG121. That's how you get the 45% discount. You'll get a free laptop as long as you see one. There's 11 left. You don't have to enter your address. You'll get a welcome email. Okay? You'll get a welcome email that will give you instructions how to claim that free laptop. All right? If you guys have any questions, 786-505-4049. Literally, if you have any questions at all, just text that phone number. Any questions at all, text that phone number. Guys, don't forget, the price is going up at midnight tonight. So it's $11.97 now. Tomorrow, it'll be $12.50. Wednesday, it'll be $13.50. So save yourself the extra bucks, grab the $11.97, and let's kick some ass this week in what's going to be, for sure, one of the most volatile weeks of the market with a major catalyst that can help determine what this market's going to do for the rest of the year. Bergorb says, what brand of laptop? So Bergorb depends on how many we allocate, but it's going to either be Asus, Acer, HP, Dell, or Lenovo. It'll be one of those 5 brands of laptop. If you could teach one lesson to everyone tonight to help them this week, what would it be? My lesson that I would teach people tonight is going to be, honestly, I think patience would be a big part of it, because in this market environment, it's better to react than to guess. The market is fixated on every piece of data that comes out from now on, every Fed decision, every inflation reading, and every jobs number. The Fed is going to be fixated on those data points. And it's our job as traders to analyze those data points and determine what it means. I told you Tuesday, when that CPI number came out higher than expected, I told you you're going to have multiple days of downside. And that's exactly what we got on the SPY. That number came out. I said, that's it. You're going to get multiple days of downside. And that's exactly what happened. You got multiple days of downside and multiple follow through. Okay. Do not try to guess what that number is going to be, because a lot of traders did 2 days before, they tried to guess what that data was going to be. Everybody thought the data was going to come in light, that it was going to come in under 8. And to be fully transparent, I thought it was going to come in under 8. I told you guys Monday night that my expectation was like 7.8. Like it was going to come in under the 8.0 expectation. Not one analyst had 8.3 as their expectation. So that goes to show you that, but I had no positions going into that CPI number because I'm not trying to predict what this data is going to be. We are going to react to what this data is. So my advice to you is to be patient. Don't try to guess. Oh, I think the Fed's going to do 100 basis points. They have to. The Fed's going to do 100. Don't try to guess what they're going to do. Wait and then react. I'm going to be live with members, okay, at 2 p.m. Eastern when that decision is made. And then at 2:30 p.m. Eastern on Wednesday, when Jerome Powell gives his press conference and his speech, I will be live with members talking them through in real time exactly what it means, how the market's taking it, if I think this is good, if I think it is bad, if I'm getting long, if I'm getting short, if we're getting calls, if we're getting puts. I will let everybody know my moves before I make them. Anna, welcome to the family, Anna. That means there's just 10. I told you once we get to 10, they're going to fly. Anna, welcome. 10 laptops now remain. Guys, what are you waiting for? Go to ttgoffer.com. Use the code TTG121. Get the 45% off before the price goes up at midnight. Get yourself a free laptop. There's 10 of them left. You have to manually enter that coupon code, though. TTG121. Click apply code. Check out. You're good to go. You don't have to enter your address for the laptop. You'll get a welcome email with instructions how to get your laptop when you sign up. If you have any questions, 786-505-4049. The number's right there at the bottom of your screen, right down there. Okay, text that phone number. Don't call it. I got to say it 100 times because people still call it. It's a text message only phone number. Okay. Paula, I told you they're going to fly now. 9 laptops left. That's it. 9. Welcome, Paula, to the TTG family. 9 left now, guys. 9. They're not going to make it till midnight. TTGoffer.com. Grab one now. Price goes up at midnight tonight. Oh, I can't wait for this week. Oh, I want the markets to open literally right now. I think we're going to start off red. I think we're going to start the week. I think I'm going to make some money on put options this week, guys. You're going to see me come on this live stream this week as I do we do this 6 days a week. So make sure you guys subscribe to the channel, turn on your notifications. Don't miss these lives. I do them 6 days a week. But I got a feeling you're going to see me come on here and do, talk to you guys about how we made money in put options this week. I feel it. I feel it in my bones. I feel it in my bones. All right. So Paolo, welcome to the family. All right, folks. So there you have it. All right. That wraps up our top 5 most commonly asked questions. All right. Top 5 most commonly asked questions. All right. How many people we have about 1,500 people that are on this live stream with me. How many of you are not members of True Trading Group? Do me a favor, guys. If you're not a member, type the letters TTG in chat, please. Just type the letters TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. Just type the letters TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. All right? Just type the letters TTG if you are not a member of True Trading Group. In a couple of minutes, guys, bear with me. I'm going to give my game plan on how I plan on trading the SPY this week. I'll tell you what I think about the Fed in just about 2 minutes. Let's see. Who do we have here? We got Tim, Exotic and Auto Boutique. We got Brad Priest. We got Better Together. Halim. We got Jamie. Wasi Gabriel, Eric, Cole, Faraj, Wyatt, Joe F. Bronx Trader goes TTG, but I'm ashamed. It's okay, Bronx Trader, man. I'm here for you, bro. I'm here when you're ready. Bregor, you asked that question earlier about the laptops. What's up? Antoinette, how are you? Obi, Jad, Sanja, Joe Milk. Yes, Bronx Trader goes, I'm coming. Bronx Trader, I'm here for you. I'm here when you are, man. I'm here when you're ready. I'm here when you are ready. All right, beautiful. So we got a lot of members, like Bob, Light. We got a lot of members that are not part of the TTG family. Welcome, Leo. Guys, welcome. All of you typing TTG, welcome. I want to make sure you all understand that the price is going up tonight. So it's $11.97 this evening. You have 9 laptops remaining. The next 9 people that go to ttgoffer.com and enter the coupon code TTG121 get a 45% discount. The Price is $11.97 this evening. It'll be $12.50 tomorrow, and you guys will be able to get the brand new free laptop. There's 9 of them left. As long as you see one in your checkout cart, you're good to go. You know you're getting one. Okay? That's how you know you're going to be getting one. You also have to realize, guys, you're getting access to a platform. You're not just getting like a Discord. You're not joining True Trading Group and spending $11.97 just for me to bless you with my trade alerts because I'm such an amazing trader. That's not what True Trading Group is about. Will you get all of my trade alerts? Yes. Will you get the trade alerts from the other 9 professional traders that are mods in TTG? Yes. But you're also getting a platform that gives you access to premium tools from today's top fintech companies that if you purchased on your own are going to cost you around $5,000 a year. As a member of True Trading Group, you're going to be getting trading tools from companies like Benzinga with their real-time news feed and Squawk Box, TradingView's premium charting software, Quote Media's real-time full book level 2, unusual options activity, dark pool data, options flow from CBOE, the Trade Ideas scanner, a simulator from ETNA, analyst ratings, short data, insider buying. All of this you get included with your membership to TTG. And as if that wasn't enough, access to our entire curriculum, 18 courses. Okay, it's a simplified yet expanded upon version of what I learned when I worked at the fund in New York. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it. We've got all of it. There are no VIP courses that cost more money after you join. They're all included for the $11.97. You also get a video library with over 300 hours of workshops and webinars that grows on a weekly basis, all of our trade alerts, and so much more. It's all included when you join the TTG family. And on top of that, you're going to become part of a community of traders and investors that genuinely gives a damn whether you succeed or fail. We got to welcome Victor. Victor is the newest member of the TTG family. There's just 8 of these laptops now. Guys, they're going quick. I told you they were going to go quick. Everybody loves free stuff. Victor, welcome. 8 left. Guys, go to ttgoffer.com. Use the coupon code now, TTG121. Open another web browser. Grab your laptop. As long as you see one in your checkout cart, you're good to go. And of course, double your money back guarantee. I don't think you need it. I really don't. I don't think you need it. But I don't mind offering it because we've only had to refund 2.6% of our users. So it's there for you for peace of mind. Victor, welcome. All right, guys. So again, you don't need to enter your address to get the laptop. You'll get a welcome email. The welcome email will have instructions how to claim the laptop. Take advantage of it now, guys. It's going to be a big week, folks. It's going to be a big week. Oh, I cannot wait. I don't even think I'm going to be able to sleep tonight, to be honest with you. I really don't. I don't think I'm going to be able to sleep tonight. I don't. I'm so ready. I'm so ready for this week. Are you ready is the question. Are you ready? Because I am. Oh, I can't wait. I love this stuff. I really do. I really do. I can talk about this stuff all day, every day. Sports, stocks, anytime, any place, I'll talk about it. All right? All right, guys, let's talk about this week. Let's get to the SPY, right? Let's go over my game plan. Okay, I want to cover my game plan. I want to tell you guys exactly what I'm looking at this week. Let's go over it right now. Right now, the futures market is slightly green. We're up about 0.1, 0.15%. Okay, we're slightly green on the futures market. Let me tell you exactly what I think is going to happen this week. I do this all the time. I tell you what I think is going to happen. I come out. I give you guys, this is what I think. And if I'm wrong, I'll come on and I'll tell you guys I was wrong and I lost money. Okay, or I was wrong and I adjusted my game plan and here's what we did differently. But when I'm right, I come on here and I tell you that I was right as well. I'm not going to be right all the time. I'll have losing trades. I'll have red days. I'm human. We got to welcome Gene or Jean. I don't know. Either Gene or Jean. I don't know. 7 laptops now remain 7. That's it, guys. TTGoffer.com. Use that coupon code TTG121 right now. 7 laptops left. All right, let's go. Newest member of the family. Let's talk about the SPY. There's a major support level that you have to pay attention to. Okay, major support level. And here it is. you all need to have this level drawn on your screen. This is a major level. Now, this is the same level that on Tuesday, watch my live stream from Tuesday. I told you this is a major support level, but I think that level breaks, and it broke on Friday. All right. It broke on Friday. You can see here that this level previously was a level of support, a fantastic level of support. Okay. You guys can see that. Not once, not twice, not three, but 6 days. This level held support. And when you go back prior, you guys will find there's another level of support. And before it was acting as support, it was acting as resistance. And prior to that, it was a gap fill when you had CPI data get released in the month of June to give you May's reading. Okay? This level is huge. What I'm looking for to happen tomorrow, if the futures market stays green, that would give you a slight gap up tomorrow. That slight gap up takes you right to here. Okay? And I think we start the day, if the futures market stays green. Now, a lot can happen in 11 and a half hours. It's 10 p.m. The market's open at 9:30 a.m. A lot can happen while we go to sleep. But let's assume that the futures market opens right where it is right now. That gives you a slight green gap up, and you're going to gap up right into 389, 390. That level on the SPY is huge. What I'm going to look to have happen is a slight gap up tomorrow. In the morning, push to 389, 390, get up there, push, and then fail. And I'm looking for us, what starts off as a green day, I'm looking to finish as a red day. Okay, I'm looking for us to start green, finish red. That is the candle that I expect to see tomorrow. Yankel, welcome to the TTG family. Yankel, 6 laptops left. Guys, hurry up and grab one. 6 laptops left. Okay, 6. Grab them now. TTGoffer.com. TTG121 coupon code. Okay. Manawar continues to ask me for my NVIDIA prediction. I don't even know what you mean by that. What do you mean? My NVIDIA prediction for tomorrow, for next week, for next month, for next year, for next 5 years? I don't know what that question means, but you keep asking it in chat. I talked about NVIDIA earlier on this live stream. I think NVIDIA has more downside over the next couple of weeks, but it is one of my favorite stocks in my long-term portfolio. I will own NVIDIA. I've owned it for years. I bought a ton back in 2020. I sold a lot in 2021. I bought a little bit back this year. I will buy more this year because I believe in 3-5 years from now, NVIDIA is going to be an absolute monster. I think that stock is a $500 stock in 3 to 5 years from now. All right. So Yankel, welcome to the TTG family. There's 6 laptops left. TTGoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. All right. So again, 389, 390. If we gap up into it, I'm looking for us to push early off the open, push in the morning, get up there, resistance at 390, and then roll back over and finish the day red. That's what I'm looking for to happen tomorrow. That is my game plan. And then we will stay on the side of weakness. And I actually think, okay, what I actually think can happen here is I think there's more downside here over the next 1 to 2 weeks. And I think the Fed meeting can actually take you down here. And then the market stabilizes in October. And like I said, November, December, I think the markets actually bounce back up towards over 4,000. So that's what I'm actually expecting to happen. All right. So there's my game plan, folks. There's my game plan for tomorrow. We will see where the markets are Tuesday night, because that will determine the levels I'm looking at for the Fed meeting. But I am going to be looking for a little bit more downside here over the next couple of days. We'll see what the Fed does. I think the Fed gives you 75 basis points, although I think they should give you 50. Anyone that's calling for 100 basis points, I think you're dead wrong. And I don't think that you understand how monetary policy and economics work if you think the Fed should do 100 basis points. just because the inflation numbers were hot last month does not mean that the rate hikes that the Fed has done so far are not working. It takes months for rate hikes to filter through the economy and actually impact the data. So just because inflation was hot last month does not mean that the rate hikes are not working and they have to go more. I think if the Fed gives you 100 basis points on Wednesday, this market goes straight down and you have another 2 to 3 standard deviation red day to the downside where the markets are probably down another 800, 900 points on the Dow if they give you 100 basis points. I think that would be a huge mistake if the Fed gives you 100 basis points. I think they're going to give you 75. I think they should give you 50, but it doesn't matter what I think they should do. I'm not a member of the Fed. I think they give you 75. And I think if they give you 75, I think that continues to move the markets to the downside, just not as severe as if they give you 100. If they give you 50 basis points, I think the markets can actually breathe. Daniel, welcome to the family. There are now 5. I told you once you get to 10, these fly. TTG, offer.com, TTG, 121 coupon code. You got to go there now. Grab the $11.97 price point before the price jumps over $1,200 at midnight and get yourself the free laptop. Well, we still got them. There's 5 left. As long as you see one in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. If you have any questions, 786-505-4049. Send a text right now. We'll talk more in detail about the Fed meeting Tuesday night. Tuesday night, we'll talk about the Fed a lot more. We'll see where the markets are. We'll see if I'm right about moving to 390, then finding resistance and finishing the day red. We'll see if I'm right about that. And then we'll determine what levels I'm looking for the Fed meeting. And then, like I said, 2 p.m. Eastern, I will be live with my members in chat. The moment that number comes out, we'll go through it. I think they're going to give you 75. I think they should do 50, but I think they're going to do 75. I think if they do 100, it's a mistake. I think the markets go much lower if they give you 100. But I'll have an entire game plan. I'll have an entire game plan for you guys. Don't worry about it. I never have you guys go into battle blindfolded, ever. I arm you with the greatest ammunition and the most readiness that you will ever have. Welcome all of our new members, my TTG fam. Get ready. It's going to be a big week. All right. So there we have it, folks. It's giveaway time. It's getting late. It's giveaway time, guys. All right. We are going to give away to one lucky TTG member a $2,000 NFT that carries with it a one-on-one mentor session with one of our pro traders at TTG. To help me do this, I'm bringing on my business partner and co-founder of True Trading Group. Everybody give a big ayo to Adam. What's up, man?
What's going on, guys? Welcome to all the new members tonight. Smart decision going into this week, and really anytime. But I digress. So we're doing a different kind of giveaway tonight. We're going to give away an NFT.
Can we talk about how snazzy Adam looks with his blue light glasses?
Oh yeah, they are blue light glasses.
I know they are.
Yeah. I
know you don't need glasses. You had LASIK.
Yep. And also to everyone in chat, the day that Apple came out with their news about the new iPhone, I talked a tremendous amount of shit in chat about Apple. Your boy bought one anyways off Craigslist for $400 more than just waiting till October because I'm sick, bro.
You are sick.
Because it's cool.
Did you get me one?
Did
you get me one? Did you get me one?
I did get you one.
Awesome. Thank you. I love you.
Yeah.
All right. Talk to us. What's this giveaway? We're giving away an NFT. Talk to us about this.
So we're giving away a non-fungible token on OpenSea, and this NFT will be will carry with it a utility for a TTG member specifically of one-on-one. So if you're an annual member, you will be able to get a one-on-one with any mod of your choice. And if you are a lifetime member, you will get an extra one-on-one for the year, right? So that's pretty great. Also, the floor price of this NFT, it's being minted with a floor price of $2,000. So yeah, should be pretty cool. If nothing else, you get a free one-on-one, and it's a hell of a lot of fun doing these giveaways.
Awesome, man.
So let's go. Let me share my screen. Perfect. So we're going to spin the wheel of names and go from there. All right, let's see.
Let's do it. Who's it going to be?
Tyrone Biggums.
Rhea
D.
Rhea D. Well, congratulations.
Yep, and don't worry, if you don't know what an NFT is and you just won, I will walk you through it. I will help you
Rhea,
get set up.
if you don't know, you're like, what do I do with this NFT? Don't worry about it. Adam will walk you through it. Congratulations, Rhea.
Yep, send an email to adam@truetradinggroup.com. That's adam@truetradinggroup.com. Rhea, congratulations and Godspeed.
Awesome. Congratulations on the $2,000 NFT that carries with it the utility of a one-on-one mentor session with any one of our pro traders, whichever one that you choose.
And tonight's code word, 18 of 18, is going to be NFT.
Hey, yo, folks, there's your code word, NFT. Now, listen up. If you are not a member of True Trading Group, this code word means nothing to you. This is a code word that is part of a $5,000 giveaway that we do with our members. Why do we do it? Because it's a lot of fun. We love to give back to our members. So members only, this is for you. Code word, final code word is NFT.
And then while we're at it, you got to welcome Sharon.
Sharon, welcome to the family. We are now down to 4 laptops, guys. That's it. Hurry up. TTGoffer.com, TTG121 coupon code. 4 laptops left. If you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. Get your butts over there right now. Price goes up over $1,200 at midnight tonight, and you got 4 laptops left. Don't forget, double your money back guarantee comes with it. You do not make the $11.97 back at least once during your membership. After completing our courses, passing our quizzes, and attending a study group, I'm going to give you $2,384. That's the deal. All right. There you guys have it. So congratulations, Rhea. Welcome all of our new members. Congrats. Folks, that just about wraps up the educational aspect of our live stream. So listen carefully. If you are not interested in a membership at all, you may now sign off the live stream, but not until you subscribe, turn on your notifications. I do this 6 days a week. I'm going to do it again tomorrow. I'm going to do it again Tuesday. We got the Fed meeting on Wednesday. Shit's going to get real. Okay. So make sure that you guys are subscribing to the channel and you are turning on your notifications. Of course, smash that like button, show us some love. I love you guys. Love you guys right back. All right. But if you're not interested, you can sign up the live stream. If you are interested in a membership, you only got 4 laptops left. So let's go through this quickly. I'm going to show you the actual platform so you can see for yourself everything you get access to when you join, because like I said, it's a platform. You're not just getting a Discord with a bunch of courses. You're getting access to the entire platform. And of course, the platform comes with access to our chat room, which is open from 7:30 a.m. Eastern all the way through until the market closes, all day, every day, where the mods and I are in chat, sharing our screen. We're talking to you on the mic. We're giving you our market commentary and analysis and our real-time trade alerts. If you cannot be in front of your computer, don't sweat it. We got a mobile app, lets you be connected to chat on your mobile phone, see the screen share, listen to the audio analysis, and you also get real-time push notifications on your mobile app whenever a moderator enters or exits a trade. It's how so many of our members that have full-time jobs are able to benefit from this platform. You also get 2, not 1, but 2 small private study group sessions with one of our pro traders to help speed up your learning curve so you can ask questions. We can get you started on the right foot. You also get Benzinga Pro's real-time live news feed and Squawk Box feature. This would cost you over $1,000 a year if you went to Benzinga directly. It is included free with your membership when you join the TTG platform for just $11.97. You also get Trading Views premium charting software. That's about $600 a year. It's free with your membership when you join True Trading Group. You also get the Trade Ideas scanner. This will make sure you're always focused on the hottest stocks during the day. It too costs a few $100 a year. It is free with your membership when you join True Trading Group. You get ETNA's simulator. Simulator lets you trade stocks and options with fake money. You can practice implementing what you are learning in the courses so you can prove you can make money on a simulator before you start risking your hard-earned cash. This would cost you just under $1,000 a year if you went to ETNA directly. It is free with your membership. Frank, welcome. Guys, there's just 3 left. Don't even wait for me to finish this. Go to TTGoffer.com right now before we run out of laptops. Go, okay? On top of the simulator, you're going to get our own proprietary scanner that lets you create your own custom scans. You get dark pool data, unusual options activity with options flow, stuff that helps other professional traders make better decisions. Guys, this is what it's all about. Getting access to tools and resources that can help you make better decisions and increase your chances of success. You get a full trading journal. It'll track your trading, give you statistics. You can see what you're doing wrong so you can know where you need to make improvements. You get a social sentiment scanner. This scanner actually goes through Reddit, StockTwits, and Twitter. It tells you which ticker symbols are being mentioned most so you can stay ahead of the crowd. Analyst ratings on any stock you're interested in, so you can see how many analysts have a buy, sell, or hold rating on any stock. Insider buying, insider selling, short data, it's all included with your platform. The mods and I publish a watch list every morning, the stocks we're looking at with a game plan on how we plan on trading them. You get access to that, of course, and then all of our courses. The courses are a simplified and expanded upon version of what I learned working at the fund. There's beginner courses, advanced courses, options, swing trading, trader psychology, crypto, futures, you name it. We've got it in text and video, whatever's easier for you to learn. There are no VIP courses that cost more money after you join. No upsells for courses, no upsells for tools. The $11.97 gets you access to all of it. There's also a video library that's got about 300 hours of additional educational video content. These are workshops and webinars that we've conducted live with members covering different topics like how to grow a small account, how to trade while working a full-time job, how to get started off on the right foot, how to build a long-term portfolio, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. Including today's workshop. For those of you that joined my Head Start workshop, I did a Head Start workshop today. About 1,100 people joined me live on Sunday to go through my Head Start workshop. Okay, that recording is now live in the video library. It's right there, guys. Small private study groups. If you missed my workshop today, it's a Head Start workshop specifically geared towards people that are just starting out trading, or if you're just starting out to the TTG family. I covered 3 very specific topics. How to discover your trader identity. That's going to be the style and strategy of trading that's going to be best for you based on your personality traits, but also based on your work schedule. Also, how to grow a small account, specifically if you're starting with just a couple $100 and you want to try to grow that account. There's specific trading tips that we talked about in there. But guys, so much. Also, we talked about real life examples of trading strategies for trading while working a full-time job. All of that is in that workshop. It is now live inside the video library. You get access to this library as a member, but you can also now as a member attend these workshops live. You just have to go to ttgoffer.com. If you are watching this live stream after we're done, later on, as long as you see a laptop in your checkout cart, that's how you know you're getting one. There's only a couple of them left. Okay? There's only a couple of them left. Go to ttgoffer.com right now. Enter the coupon code TTG121. Click apply code. You're good to go. You don't have to enter your address. You'll get a welcome email after you sign up with instructions how to claim the laptop. And if you have any questions, you send a text message right now. Don't hesitate. I don't care what time it is. You send a text message to 786-505-4049. Get your butts in chat. I hope you guys enjoyed the live stream. Go enjoy the rest of your night, but come back tomorrow morning ready to rock and roll. My TTG fam, I'll see you in chat. Let's start this week off hot. It's going to be a big one. Thanks for joining me tonight, folks. Hope you enjoyed the live stream. Subscribe to the channel, smash that like button, turn on your notifications. I'm doing this all week, folks. I'll see you guys there. Have a great